Hello friends, this is Amit from channel Grow Together. In this video, I will go over how you can do your investment on Autopilot. There are two options. First is that you can do it using robo-advisor, where you answer a few questions. They will select the portfolio according to your risk profile, and then after you submit your money, they buy the stocks, bonds, according to your risk profile. In that, you need not to worry about rebalancing or buying these stocks individually. The other option is that you can buy an one ETF, which is according to they have a asset allocation where they will, same as the robo advisor, they will invest in stocks and bonds, and you need not to worry about selecting different stocks or bonds. So here is the option with Vanguard. They have multiple ETFs where you can invest your money and they do the asset allocation. There are other companies as well, iShare or BMO. They also offer same sort of ETFs. In this video, I will talk about Vanguard ETFs particularly. So if we scroll down, first one is Vanguard Retirement Income ETF. That is if you are looking for income, steady income. The other four options that I want to talk about is that they have four ETFs where they will assign the asset allocation is 80-20, 60-40, 40-60, or 20-80. So first one is 20-80. That's Vanguard conservative ETF. In this, 20% will go into the stocks, 80% will go into the bonds. The next one is 40-60. So 40 is in the stock, 60 is in the bonds. The other one is 60% is of the portfolio will be in the stock, 40% in the bond. The other one, this one is 80-20. So majority of your allocation is in the stocks and 20% is in the bonds. The last option that they have, if you want to go all into the equity, so 100% will be invested in the stocks. So if you want to get a more information regarding this ETF, so what you can just right click and go into the page for that particular ETF. So growth ETF. So first one, they have management fee of 0.22% and MER excuse me, MER is 0.25%. So the starting date for that fund was 24th of January 2018, and the net asset in that ETF is 2.3 billion. The current dividend yield is 1.68, and which is distributed quarterly. So if you want to know the actual dollar amount, so it's given right there that 0.124 is the dividend for each stock or each unit that you hold, and you can buy this ETF in different accounts. For an example, RSP, RESP, TFSA, or a few other accounts. The current price for that ETF is 30.44. And if you want to know the asset allocation, what they buy under that particular ETF, so Vanguard, what they do is they buy their own ETFs under this ETF to do the asset allocation. First one is Vanguard US Total Market Index ETF, so in which they have invested 33.1%. If you want to know more information about this ETF, you can just simply copy that, paste in Google, and next you can click on this link. Once you have this page open, you can go under ETF fact sheet, where you can see all the information. So top 10 holding under this ETF is Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, so all well-known names, and they have 4.8, 4.1. And if you want to know these sectors that they have invested, it's right there that technology is 24%, financial 16.9. So on this page you can get a lot of information. So next thing for the same ETF, so as if we want to know these sectors, how much every sector is weighted under this ETF. Financial, they have invested 19.8%, technology is 17.7%, and so on. So if you want to know according to the geographical area, what countries they have invested the funds in. First one is United States. So in there they have 41.4%, Canada 29.9%. And if you want to know more details, you can click on this link and it'll take you to the page where it'll show you exactly where they have invested the funds according to the geographical area. If you scroll up under the performance tab, if you want to know the annual return for this fund since it was started, so in 2019 it was 17.84%. In 2020 it's at 10.89. So there is a lot of other information that you can get from this page, like fact sheet, distribution history, and so on. So I'll just go back to the page where it shows all the funds those are available. So they have almost 6 funds that you can buy from according to your risk profile that you think that you want to invest in. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you have liked the video, please click thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.